What's up, you guys? This is your boy Elevated, man. We out here on the east side. This is a chin mount test run video. All right, so nothing too special. We just riding around. We're on the east side, Washington Park, and yeah, man, the new chin mount just came in, and I'm just basically out here checking it out. Just out here checking it out, man. You gotta drop that like, drop that subscribe. I'll let you know one thing: if I do not like the angle or whatever the case may be, I'm gonna try to check it out and see, but you guys won't see it. You know, I just won't put it up until I get it right. You know, and even if you do see it, let me know if anything that I can make it better, tilt it up a little bit, down. I don't know. I don't know. This is the chin mount. I'm really comfortable with the chest mount, you know, but I kind of wanted to try something new, give you guys a different view of things, and we'll just see how it looks. That like, drop that subscribe. Test run video for chin mount. Test run video for chin mount. Bruh, this shit crazy. This again, bro. Oh, I smell that substance. Oh, I smell that substance. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, yeah, I did. Those encampments just wasn't, those trailers just wasn't here, because I remember coming down and chilling right here. I remember, yeah, for sure, yeah, okay. Oh, there goes the dog. He probably trained somewhere, but never is it anymore. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's just that these trailers wasn't here before. Okay. Or at least they wasn't here when I came, and just hanging out right here. All right. Gonna go back this way. Don't worry, people. New gloves are coming soon. New gloves are coming soon. It should be on the way. Well, they are on the way. See what she up to. What you up to? What you doing out here? All right, man, so we're gonna wrap this video up right here. Washington Park on the east side, Blue Line Station. Once again, test run video for my chin mount. If I don't like it, you won't see it, but if it's something I can improve on, let me know. All right, I'm your boy Elevated, man. This is Elevated Travels. I'll be back real soon. Peace. I'm out from the east side.